Hello everyone, my name is Manish Goyal. I completed my bachelor's degree in 2017 with majors in computer science and engineering from Punjabi University Patiala. During that time, I got opportunity to interview for various IT firms and luckily I got selected by Tech Mahindra. After completing my 6-month internship with Tech Mahindra, I got consideration into lot more IT firms. And finally, I started with Deloitte Consulting USI as an SAP developer and consultant. Very recently, I started applying into USA universities for my master's degree in computer science, and to my delight, I got admitted into a couple of those universities. And not just admitted, I got awarded scholarships by those universities. And I would like to emphasize the fact that the major reason for this is the reputation that Punjabi University holds. And this reputation is direct result of the faculty member, the top tier faculty member in our university. Right from the very beginning, when I started writing codes in C language, that was print hello worlds, to writing some of the very, very complex logics, business logics in some of the very advanced programming languages like SAP or Python, I always had the support of our faculty members. The effort, the hard work that they put in into every individual student's development is extraordinary. Very recently, when I needed help with my letter of recommendations, they were more than happy to assist me with it. And they assisted me with not just the letter of recommendations, but throughout the any phase of admission process. So I would like to say, in Punjabi University, you can achieve any goal that you set out for yourself, be it starting your own startup or going for higher studies like MS or MBA, or if you just want to score a great job in some of the top IT firms. Anything that you want to do, anything you want to achieve, you'll get all the proper resources, all the best guidance from the top tier faculty members here in Punjabi University. Thank you.